The top 100 solo women travel quotes to motivate you on your journey. I travel solo because I like the freedom to be who I am, to do what I want, when I want, and to connect with the world on my own terms. To travel is to take a journey into yourself. The most extraordinary travels always start with a single step. Traveling solo is not a vacation, it's a life-changing experience. Don't be scared to walk alone. Don't be scared to like it. I am not the same having seen the moon shine on the other side of the world. The woman who goes alone can start today, but he who travels with another must wait till that other is ready. I travel solo because I want to learn who I am without the distractions of the world. Travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. The world is full of wonderful things you haven't seen yet. Don't ever give up on the chance of seeing them. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Traveling solo allows you to see the world through your own eyes and not someone else's. Traveling solo is a great way to reflect on your life and discover who you really are. Life is short and the world is wide, so why not explore it? The journey, not the arrival, matters. To travel is to discover that everyone is wrong about other countries. Solo travel is the ultimate self-care. You get to prioritize your own happiness and well-being. Traveling solo can be scary, but it's also incredibly empowering. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. Traveling solo is like a love affair with life. The world is a beautiful place, and there's no better way to experience it than by traveling solo. To travel is to live. Traveling solo is about finding yourself and experiencing life in your own unique way. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Traveling alone will be the scariest, most liberating, life-changing experience of your life. Try it at least once. Solo travel is not a trend, it's a lifestyle. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Adventure is worthwhile. Traveling solo is not lonely, it's an opportunity to meet new people and make new friends. The joy of solo travel is the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want, with whoever you want, including no one. Traveling solo is an opportunity to step out of your comfort zone and into your adventure zone. The world is your playground. Go explore it. Travel far enough, you meet yourself. To travel is to awaken your senses and experience the world in a way that you never thought possible. Solo travel is about finding your inner peace and creating memories that will last a lifetime. The world is full of surprises, and the best way to experience them is by traveling solo. The world is too big to stay in one place, and life is too short to do just one thing. Traveling solo is like jumping into a cold lake. It's scary at first, but once you're in, it's invigorating. To travel is to take a journey into yourself. Traveling solo is about embracing the unknown and stepping outside your comfort zone. Solo travel is an opportunity to learn about yourself, to grow and to challenge yourself. The world is a beautiful place, and it's meant to be explored. The most important relationship in your life is the one you have with yourself. Solo travel allows you to nurture that relationship. Traveling solo is about creating your own adventure and living life on your own terms. Life is a journey, not a destination. Traveling solo is about discovering the beauty of the world and the beauty within yourself. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Traveling solo is not just an adventure, it's a journey of self-discovery. The world is a vast and beautiful place, and solo travel is the best way to see it all. Traveling alone is a chance to create your own narrative and make memories that will last a lifetime. To travel solo is to embrace the unknown and conquer your fears. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. Traveling solo is not about being alone, it's about being present in the moment and fully immersed in your experience. The world is yours to explore. Go out there and make the most of it. Traveling solo is about taking the road less traveled and discovering the beauty that lies beyond. Life is short, but the world is wide. Travel more, worry less. Traveling solo is the ultimate act of self-love and self-discovery. Traveling solo is not about running away from things, it's about running towards something bigger and better. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the beauty of the world. Traveling alone is a chance to be your own best friend and make memories that will last a lifetime. Traveling solo is a journey of self-discovery, an opportunity to explore the world and yourself. To travel is to live, and to travel solo is to truly experience life to the fullest. The world is a beautiful and mysterious place, and solo travel is the best way to uncover its secrets. Solo travel is not just a physical journey, it's a journey of the mind and the soul. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dream. Traveling solo is not a selfish act, it's an act of self-love and self-discovery. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Traveling solo allows you to read the whole book. Traveling solo is the perfect way to challenge yourself and grow in ways you never thought possible. Solo travel is about stepping out of your comfort zone and into the adventure of a lifetime. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way. Traveling solo is not just an escape, it's a chance to discover the beauty of the world and yourself. The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper. Traveling solo is not about being lonely, it's about being free and independent. To travel solo is to take a leap of faith into the unknown, and discover a world of endless possibilities. The purpose of life is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for newer and richer experience. Solo travel is not just a journey of miles, it's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Traveling solo is the perfect way to push your boundaries and see what you're capable of. Subscribe and comment on this video.